curtains can add style and functionality to any room, but drilling into the wall may not always be an option. Fortunately, there are alternative methods for hanging curtain rods without drilling. In this video, we'll show you how to hang a curtain rod without drilling into the wall. Let's get started. 1. Tension rods. One of the simplest ways to hang a curtain rod without drilling is to use tension rods. These rods extend to fit the width of your window frame and rely on tension to stay in place. Simply twist or adjust the rod until it fits snugly within the window frame, then hang your curtains as usual. 2. Command hooks. Another option is to use adhesive-backed command hooks. Choose hooks that are rated to hold the weight of your curtain rod and curtains. Clean the wall surface with rubbing alcohol. Apply the hooks according to the manufacturer's instructions and allow them to cure before hanging your curtains. 3. Magnetic curtain rods. For metal window frames, magnetic curtain rods offer a convenient and drill-free solution. These rods feature magnets that adhere to the metal frame, providing a secure anchor for your curtains. Simply attach the magnetic rods to the frame and hang your curtains as desired. 4. Tension wire systems. If you prefer a minimalist look, consider using tension wire systems to hang your curtains. These systems consist of thin cables or wires that stretch across the window opening and are anchored to the wall using tension. Attach curtain clips or hooks to the wires and hang your curtains for a sleek and modern look. 5. Self-adhesive brackets. Finally, self-adhesive curtain rod brackets offer a drill-free solution for hanging curtain rods. Clean the wall surface with rubbing alcohol. Apply the adhesive brackets in the desired location and allow them to cure before hanging your curtains. Be sure to choose brackets rated to hold the weight of your curtains. By using tension rods, command hooks, magnetic rods, tension wire systems, or self-adhesive brackets, you can easily hang curtain rods without drilling into the wall. These alternatives provide a convenient and damage-free solution for adding curtains to your space.